Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can install widget in Any.do. This is going to be really easy, and honestly everyone can do it. So what you want to do is, when you're in Any.do, you just want to hold the screen. It doesn't matter if you're Android or iPhone. Then just click widgets here, and you want to write in search, or just search right normally here, Any.do. So I will just write it here, and I'm gonna see Any.do here. So I will click on it. And I have four options: light menu, light task, light calendar, light compact. I'm going to choose the light task here. I will just simply add it. Look, I will make it smaller, right? Like here. And I gotta see, okay, today I got a 50 push-ups. I will simply go automatically to the application. And yeah. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.